In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Telegram username on the PC app quickly and easily. This is a simple setting, but it's really useful if you want to update your profile name, make your account easier to find, or switch to a username that better matches your brand or personal identity. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram desktop app on your computer. Once Telegram is open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the hamburger menu, which is the icon with 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main menu where Telegram keeps your account settings and other options. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you into your Telegram settings page, where you can manage your profile and account preferences. Next, click My Account. Inside your account section, you'll see the details linked to your Telegram profile. Look for the username option and click on it. This is where you can change the public username people use to find or mention your account. Now type in your new username. As you enter it, Telegram will check whether the username is available. If it is already taken, you'll need to try a different one until you find an available option. It's a good idea to choose something short, memorable, and easy to spell so people can find you more easily. Once you see that your username is available and you're happy with it, click Save to confirm the change. After that, your Telegram username will be updated immediately. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully changed your Telegram username on desktop in just a few steps. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.